Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it was tripping the breaker as soon as you plug in the machine. And as you can see, the machine is on and it's definitely not tripping the breaker. And that was because we replaced the hidden element. This one that you see right here, it was the one that we replaced. This was tripping the breaker and it was tripping it as soon as you plug it in into the outlet. Now we had this machine working for quite a while to make sure that it was working and there were not any additional issues with it, and so far the machine has been just doing great. It's been keeping up the pressure, it's been heating up properly and consistently, and it's not leaking from the bottom or anything else. So yeah, that's all we did with the espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings on this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, the espresso range went all the way to 10, which is perfect. I probably tampered a little bit too hard on the espresso shot, so it's gonna be a little bit over extracted. We're gonna see good crema coming on top of the espresso shot. It's about 2 ounces in there, so I'm gonna stop it right here, and as you can see, nice crema coming out on top of the espresso. Even though our coffee is super old, we still got nice layer of crema and an excellent color as well on top of it. Looking great. Steam for this machine, as you can see, pretty powerful, working excellent. Hot water on this machine as well. Works great. Nice steady stream coming out. Working excellent. Working great. So there you have it. ECM espresso machine no longer tripping the breaker, heating up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.